Do you ever just want a guilty pleasure dessert that's super easy to make? Well, guess what? You're in luck. Today we are making a super easy cherry cobbler. This is a treat yourself kind of day, so let's treat ourselves and get started. 1 out of 6 servings is 272 calories, 12 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein, and 39 grams of carbs. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Next, now I'm using frozen cherries. You can use fresh if you want, but the frozen, it's just so much easier. You don't have to wait as long for them to get a little tender. If you're going the fresh route, what you want to do is add your cherries to the pot like you would with the frozen and mix them around a little bit. Give them some time to become soft, a little tender. Then you're gonna add in your sugar, and this is where all the sexiness happens. You're gonna add in your lemon juice, your ground cloves, ground nutmeg, and just a pinch of salt. All of this is happening on a medium-high heat, and you're gonna give it about 2 to 3 minutes just to let the, get the juices flowing and all of that goodness. While that's happening, you can prepare your cornstarch slurry. A slurry is just cornstarch with a little bit of water, mix it up, and then you're gonna add it to the pot. And almost instantaneously, you're gonna notice it thicken up. Sexy and glossy, it's beautiful. Once it begins to thicken up, then you're gonna add in your vanilla extract. Give it another minute or two, take it off the heat, and then pour it into the baking dish that you're using. For this particular quantity, it's not creating a massive dessert. I'm using a 9x9 dish, and I think that's perfect for it. And for the final part, we're gonna go back over there and do the cobbler. Ever wondered why a cherry cobbler is called a cherry cobbler? Simple answer. It's because the top crust is not smooth like your average pie crust. It's cobbled. Did you know the average cherry tree has about 7,000 cherries? Turkey is the world's leading cherry producer. They produce approximately 535,000 tons a year. Cherries contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, iron, and magnesium. Cherries are also full of antioxidants. They may help in promoting healthy sleep. They can also provide arthritis relief and can help in reducing post-exercise pain. All right, I've said enough. Let's get back to the recipe. All right, so we're at the final part, which is just creating the cobbler. Super fast, super easy. So I'm using this tiny little food processor because it's so cute. We're gonna add in a cup of flour. I'm using organic all-purpose flour. I'm going to then add in my baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, and some sugar. To that, I'm gonna add about 85 grams. This is about 6 tablespoons of, I'm using vegan butter for this one. It is cold. Do not use it at room temperature. Make it cold. Keep that in mind. To the side, I have about 2 tablespoons of almond milk. So I'm gonna blitz this up till it's all the butter is incorporated, and it kind of looks like sand. And we're done. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon just to see where we're at of the milk. And the last little part. Okay, so letting it go a little bit longer the second time after adding in the last part of the milk, you'll notice that it is now in clumps, perfect for kneading, and then we're gonna add it to our cherries. And super easy, this is ready to go. No thought process needed. All you're gonna do, take a little piece and put it on top of the cherries. That's it, that's all. I love this. That's it. This is gonna go into the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. The only thing that I would strongly suggest you do is to wait about 20 to 30 minutes before eating, because those cherries are like molten lava when they first come out of the oven. All right, give it a go and let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.